Hi, in this video we are going to learn addition of algebraic expressions. Before starting we learn what are like terms. Like terms are 7xy, 4xy and another two like terms are 9xy square, 5xy square. This means that like terms will have same variables and powers. So now we will see which are not like terms. Terms which are not like are called unlike terms. So 8x square, 3x are unlike terms. Then 3x square y, 7y square x are unlike terms because they don't have same variables and powers. So now we will see sign of a term. So consider the term minus 4xy. Here there is a sign in front of it which is minus. So the sign of this term is minus. Now consider another term 9z. There is no sign shown in front of it. So we will always take its sign as a sign of such terms as plus. So next we will move to the addition of algebraic expressions. Consider the example AB minus BC plus AB minus BC, which is first expression, then BC minus CA, another expression, CA minus AB, third expression. Now we are going to add these three expressions. Hope you understood which are the expressions here. AB, this is the first one, then this is the second one, and this is the third one. So for adding these expressions, what we do is we will write these expressions in separate rows, keeping the like terms in the same column. So first we wrote AB minus BC. Then second expression BC minus CA. For that we will write the term BC under this BC with a plus sign in front of it. Then there is no CA in this, so we wrote that term here minus CA. Then third expression CA minus AB. That we will write this CA we will write under this CA with a plus sign in front of it, which is the sign of this CA plus. Now this AB we can write under this AB with a minus sign. So when we add, now when we add minus CA plus CA, 0, we have seen before. Minus CA plus CA is 0. It is like adding minus 5 plus 5. Now, in the same way, minus BC plus BC, yeah, that is also plus 0. Then AB minus AB, that is also 0. So, our answer here is 0. Now, so this was our first example. So since we were adding here equal and opposite terms which were equal, but since these two were equally opposite terms, we were adding in these expressions equally opposite terms. So we got the answer as 0. So the sum or the answer of this or the sum of these three expressions is 0, we can say. That is its answer. Now consider the next example. Here the first expression is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. The other expression is 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square is 3. So we will add this expression and this expression. First we wrote the first expression in a row. Then the second expression we will write under it, keeping the like terms in the same column. We have the numbers here. So the number in this number in this expression we will write under this number. So it is plus 5 here. Now we have 7pq. This 7pq we will write under this minus 3pq. Now we have here minus 3p square q square. That we will write under this 2p square q square. Now when we add, we have 4 plus 5, 9. Now we are going to add these two terms. So while adding these two terms, we have pq in common. So we have taken it outside. Now what is not common in these terms, in these two terms, we will keep in the bracket. That is minus 3 plus 7, which is 4. So the sum of these two terms is plus 4pq. Now we are going to add these two terms. For them there is p square q square in common. What is not common we will keep in the bracket. That is 2 plus minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. 2 plus minus 3 is minus 1 into p square q square will come. That means minus p square q square. So here the sum of these two terms is minus p square q square. So our answer is minus p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. Now we can move to the third example. That is, here the expressions given here are a minus b plus ab. The next expression b minus c plus bc. Next expression c minus a plus ac. So these three are our expressions to add. These three are our expressions to add. As we have done before, we write these three expressions in three separate rows. So first expression we wrote in the first row like this. Now second expression, keeping the like terms in the same column, we are writing like this. Plus b of this have gone under this minus b. Now minus c of this have come here because c is not a term of the first expression. Now this bc is also not in the first expression, so we will write it here. So like this we have written the second expression. Now third expression, in the third expression there is c. That c we will write under this minus c. So after this ab in the first expression, here we have kept in the second row, after the column of ab we have written minus c here. Then under this minus c we will put plus c. Then this minus a we will put under this a. So these two a's have come in the same column. Now there is ac. This ac is not in the first expression and also in the second expression. So we are putting this term after the column of bc. After the column of bc we are putting plus ac here. So this is our third expression, and this is our second expression, and this is our first expression. And since we are adding, we are putting the sign plus. So while we add, only one AC have come here in the third expression. No other ACs in the other two expressions. So we will write plus AC here. In the same way, there is only one BC. So that we will write in the answer. Then minus C plus C equally opposite terms we are adding. So the answer is 0. It is like adding minus 5 plus 5 again. Now this AB, only one AB we have here, so we wrote it in the answer. Then minus B plus B, again the answer is 0. A minus A, the answer is 0. So we can avoid the zeros in the answer. So our sum, our answer or the sum is AB plus BC plus AC. So today we discussed the addition of algebraic expressions. Hope you understood. Please comment your suggestions. I will come with another video. Bye.